We're making leek and potato soup. It's very easy to prepare and you don't need a lot of ingredients. You need 2 leeks, 2 to 2.5 stalks of a celery, a carrot, something green out of your fridge. It's not absolutely essential, but I always add a leaf of spinach or some other thing that I've got in my fridge that's green, and 2 leeks. Slice your onions and your leeks into 1/4 inch slices, ready for your soup. You want to start by slicing your leeks and dicing your onion. You need 1 white onion. A red onion also works very well. I could only get white onions this week, but I usually prefer the red. And 2 to 2.5 stalks of celery. Remember to rib your celery first. You need to take the string out of the celery, otherwise it's tough. And then you need to dice and slice your celery up, including the leaves. Once you have your onion and celery sweating on the stove, you don't want to cook that on high temperature. You want to basically sweat it on medium to medium-low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then dice your carrots and slice up your spinach. Once you have your onion on the stove, you need to add stock cube, you need to add your potatoes, your carrot, you need to add everything into the pot and cook in one go. You need to boil that. Then once you have the potatoes softened, you need to blend your soup.